Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna give you an introduction to our Blackboard course. So first of all, you log on to our Blackboard course, and first of all, if you click on the announcement, um, you're gonna see some basic information on my background. Also, my email address is here, and also general course guidelines. If you look at it, I listed all the homework assignments from online chapters, quizzes, midterm finals. So you can take a time to go over all this information. So if you have any question and throughout the winter section, you should contact me at my email. Usually I will respond within 24 hours. So that's the first thing I want to look at. Also, after I record this video, I'm gonna put it in our Blackboard course as an introduction to Blackboard course. Also, I recorded a YouTube video showing you how to register with our online, free online platform, homework platform called Lumen. If you click on it, it will take you to the YouTube video, right? You can follow that for the registration process. Also, if you click on the Lumen homework site, it would take you directly to our Lumen homework website. Okay. And next thing is the syllabus and the formula sheet. So first of all, let's look at the syllabus. Okay. So in our syllabus, that's our course number, section number. Winter section is fully online class. So I have my email address here, my name, and also it has a manager course ID. Course ID is a mandatory course material, and also so you're gonna either need a scientific calculator or the Microsoft Excel, right? Either one is good. So most of you guys using the scientific calculator. If you already have one, you can use it, or you can use also the scientific calculator from your laptop, desktop. It's okay. And the textbook, recommended textbook is Essential of the Statistics Fifth Edition. But I've already posted a PDF file of the textbook here. You can also use that, right, as a reference. Or if you like reading the textbook, you can also read it, right? And so textbook is available. All right, so the grade distribution, so the grade will be calculated using homework as 40% of the final course grade, quizzes for 20%, midterm and final, each one is worth 20%. And the midterm review and the final review are not counted towards your final course grade. And we have a course descriptions, you can read through that. And also, if you are academic adjustment for students with disability, so you register with the disability office, you're going to get some accommodation. You just send me an email, identify yourself, and I will provide a proper arrangement for you. So just know also BMC policy on plagiarism and academic integrity statement. Just no cheating, right? On any of the homework, quizzes, midterm and final. You're supposed to work on each one of them independently without any external help. Okay, and other topics we're gonna cover 9 chapters: chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and the major topic is also listed here. So chapter 1, introduction to statistics; chapter 2, organizing some analyzing data; chapter 3, measure of center variation; chapter 4, probability; chapter 5, discrete probability distribution; chapter 6, normal distribution and central limit theorem; chapter 7, confidence intervals; chapter 8, hypothesis testing; and last chapter, chapter 10, regression and correlation. In general, you can contact MATLAB for tutoring service if you need help. Also complete your coursework on time. Email me if you have any question. So yeah. Okay, and this is basically our syllabus. I also post a course guide, right? So if you below syllabus, you're gonna see also the formula sheet. I forgot to mention the formula sheet. So you can use the formula sheet as a reference throughout the winter section. So first of all, it summarizes all the formulas for each chapter organized by chapter numbers. So all the formulas for chapter 3 is listed here. Also, you're going to need a couple tables. First one is called table A2. Now this one is called table A2. You're also going to need that. Also table A3 below it. Right. So you can always use this for the product homework quizzes and then midterm and final exam. Okay. So that's a formula sheet. And then, as I mentioned, the PDF file of the textbook has been posted. You can use it if you need it. Okay, so now next thing is the course guide. So in the course guide, if you open the course guide, you basically have all the detailed information like on the due date for all the homework assignments or quiz, anything like that. You can follow this closely. Also, it has a date for the midterms and then final exams. So you can follow this course guide closely. It's also consistent with all the due dates in our Luma homework system. Okay, so that's a course guide, and also I have all lecture videos and PowerPoint. So for any chapters, basically for all the chapters, I recorded lecture videos. It's a YouTube video, so if you click on it, you can start viewing these lecture videos, and then it will help you navigate through the contents from each chapter, right? So for example, like chapter 1 have 3 lecture videos together with the PowerPoint. So if you click on the embedded PowerPoint here, PPT, you can also open the PowerPoint and then read through the PowerPoint, and then also use the lecture videos to help you understand all these contents. Right, so that will be the basic learning like procedures when you conquer each chapter. So this is chapter 1. So basically, I have all the lecture videos for each one of these chapters. So you can just use them wisely, and then it will help you, understand the contents, everything. Right. So that's basically our lecture videos. So yeah, and again, that's pretty much everything on our Blackboard course. So if you click on the Luma home website, and then you go to our Luma website, now one more time, you have there's some student resources here. So orientation homework is due on Wednesday, January 4th, 11:59 p.m. Right. So this is kind of a homework assignments, help you get familiar with our homework system, Luma homework system. And one more time, because it's free platform, so you don't have to pay for it. So you save a lot of money on this. And also for each chapter, there's a homework and then there's a quiz. So you should usually work on the homework first, and so build up some foundation. Then once you understand the contents, then you can work on the quiz, right? And usually you can work on quiz 3 times, yes, and then the high score will be counted. Okay, so basically that's how this goes. Yeah, so each quiz you can try them 3 times, and then high score will be counted towards your final course grade. Okay, so you can always improve in the quiz score. Also the homework, right? You can try pretty much 50 times. I highly doubt anybody will try 50 times, but you can theoretically even try 50 times, and only the high score will be counted, right, for all this homework and quiz. And as I mentioned in the other video, the midterm and finals, you have 2 trials, and then the highest score will be counted towards the final course grade. Okay, so again, if you have any question, shoot me an email and I'll get back to you. So I hope you enjoy the course.